Hi, my name is Fayyaz Rajpari and I'm a solutions architect at FireEye. Today I'll be showing you how to export data from your Helix environment so that you may use it for offline analysis. Many times you'll be up against seeing some information in Helix and you'll want to export that into your own spreadsheet to use for your own analysis or bring into another tool of choice. So I've got some favorites set here already. I'm just going to build out a query and look for APT activity, group them by my destination country, and then source IP, destination IP, and then the class where the data is actually coming from. So once the search results comes back, I'll have a data that I can actually export out into a CSV file. We're going to click on the table icon there to display these results in a table format. And what you'll notice is I've got some activity going to destination country of Russian Federation, Canada, and Republic of Korea with my source IP, destination IP, and where that log was coming from. In this situation, there's some connection logs and DNS logs. And you'll see here I can easily export that data. So there's one way to export the data. If I click on that export button, I can then choose whatever I want to name it. I'll just leave it default of search results.csv and choose a location. I'll put it in my Helix folder and click on save. Okay? And there's another way you can also do this if you don't want the specific details that I did the group by on, or if you just want to get any type of specific raw or parsed events on the bottom. I can just highlight those specific ones here and just get the specific ones. So say, for example, I just want these two. I'll go back, click on filters, and you'll get a selection here. I can either add to case, or in this situation I actually want to just download the selected ones that I selected. Click on selected, and then it'll show me another pop-up to actually save that down to my disk. So we'll go ahead and actually see what this data looks like as well. So here it's downloaded, so I'll go ahead and open it up, and here's the details. Destination country, source IP, destination IP, Intel management account, with the details shown in my Helix console in a spreadsheet. So now that you've exported the data, it will assist you in your investigation, whether you're online or not. Be sure to check back for more product tips and insights from FireEye.